Become a published author using ChatGPT. My new book is a step-by-step guide to writing and publishing books with ChatGPT. So welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new book, which is how to use ChatGPT to write books for publishing on Amazon, as well as to create content for promoting affiliate programs or anything else. Whether you're a seasoned author or you're just starting out, ChatGPT can help you save time and streamline your writing process. Creating great books is important for authors because it helps to attract and retain a following. Good books can improve the user experience, which can lead to increased traffic and more sales. So in this book, we walk you through the basics of using ChatGPT as well as practical steps for using it to create awesome content. By the end of the book, you'll be a pro at using ChatGPT to create high quality, engaging books, whether they're fiction or non-fiction. And that will help you succeed in the world of authorship. So grab a hold of it. It's available on Amazon right now.